Hey Zenith, what you want to purchase from our shop?
I want to purchase two fruity and one packet of Britannia cake.
Where were you? I haven't seen you for many days.
My exams were going on, so I was busy.
Which exam?
CUT exam for colleges.
Oh, okay. So what you want to become in your future?
I haven't decided it yet. Okay, I'm getting late.
Hey Zenith, have you watched this Netflix series? It is very interesting. Are you listening to me?
Yes, what did you say?
Do you have any problem because you don't behave like this?
Actually, I'm a bit worried and confused about my future.
What is your interest? Because your interest matter a lot for making this decision.
I'm unable to find my interest as I love to do many things. My tuition teacher said that I should become a CA and he will guide me. My mother said that I should go in banking field. My uncle said that I should prepare for civil services. What should I do?
Do whatever your heart says. Don't take pressure because it is your life.
Yeah, you are right. At last, I am the one who would do hard work.
Take time, be wise.
I will try to decide it as soon as possible and work upon it. By taking pressure, I'm only stressing myself. Thanks for making me understand.
No, don't thanks. It's my pleasure.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.